Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, and today I'll be showing you how to disable TalkBack on your Galaxy A26, all versions. This video will also work for other Samsung phone models, and the first step is, you'll swipe up on the screen with 2 fingers, from the bottom up like this, to prompt your phone's password. You'll tap here once, and now using 1 finger, you'll enter your password. If your password is numeric, you should tap once to select the number and twice to confirm. To move around the screen, you'll use 2 fingers to navigate, okay? We'll go into settings. 1 tap to select, 2 taps to confirm. Now, using 2 fingers, scroll down to the accessibility option. Here, you'll tap once to select and twice to confirm. We'll scroll down to TalkBack, and here you'll turn off TalkBack. Remember, always tap once to select and double tap to confirm, okay? So TalkBack is now turned off, and that was today's video. I hope I was able to help you. If I helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel to help me reach 1,000 subscribers.